Mame Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana and Sem TV GH so what frame Adjoa searching.
Amoakuhene, Ashanti Regional Minister, Mamika Semitro. Onim, Tama Yamo appointment no. Me abedon committee. Now me very happy. I felt like say you to be in such a position. Now me feel say it was a very good thing. But the way what brings you swano, what lo what bar ama ayeme ya. Now me say oba beje juma ebe ma yemu bi no. Ebe boosti your spirit. You won't say, oh, at least me and people need it, but won't say President Mahama appointed a young youth like Amoakuhene as a regional minister for no other region like the Central region. Central region, one of the biggest regions in Ghana. Not me says, oh, the what dream, what dream, I don't know how you became a doctor anyway, but I know there. Sometimes you go for and make sure my dear natural you should there who or try no pass. But I drain the pie, the drain say any part drain it will need be. Amoakuhene. The way no a time. Che, you can't be a minister. You can't say my better so. But be diplomatic. Onamwa respect no high. Obi hu a obu. But ministerial work, you know. The artist social media fefe was sent. Jimmy or no. And as a minister, do you know what it takes to become a regional minister? A minister. Bema, you swagging. Oba ye, NDC, won't mean yes, she was Ashanti region. Won't mean yes, she. Mo promise Ashanti region youth for and say, Moba beje 3 shift for nipa miensa. I mean, a juma ba nipa miensa ba beye 24-hour economy. Ye hu hwe. Mo promise Ashanti region mame for emberewa for no say mo the women's bank eba. Na dwadi for ma no ye di sika mo makoye adwuma. Ye hu hwe. Mo promise say mo ba koko buo. Mo ba betum amakuafo mo ho atom na dia na do de mom no. Eswa mo ba mo times do that. Mobile Nanado dear now the moment na mabetiso President Nanado, His Excellency, forever President. MPP abamba and on with your can't ye be free teachers. Boom, ye buy and started free teachers. Ye buy a Ashanti region projects a year. Asante Achim hospital is you for not enough. Hey, by fancy maternity care, cat, I mean, numerous projects in Ashanti region. Cocoa Rose, BBB, and another Yema Ghana for Ashanti region. Otiho, Obe trust no drain. Ode Jimmy Nkwa. Bama change the way of change your style. You're a minister. Me who's a main canon. When you're such an ordinary person, a minister. Ashanti region, security now reported to you. But security cannot report to Obi Asebe. What dream sir? What Jimmy sir? Sebe. More dream breathy. Amoakuhene. What dream? Come on, President Mama. Yes, I am a rich friend. Why ministerial work? It's a serious business. You're a rich friend. You cannot just put anybody like that as a regional minister. Someone like Amoakuhene just like a regional minister. That's why all. It's social media. Trust social media is at 24/7. Not trust social media to social media. You will be any ministers because social media. You baswa. Sometimes if you want maybe 2 weeks, go 1 month. Go in your time so. Because sometimes I get busy. Time I make a video, make cut time at more. Maybe I'm waiting. And I do want something. After I'm in your time. After me to computer on cry yet, man, I'm in your time. So me reply okakra. So I wonder how a regional minister would meet on social media for Manopa, Kusianado, we are TikToker, who's at the Facebook 24/7. I mean, guy, be serious. Be serious. Portfolio ne kita ne nyam kwala portfolio. Be serious. After IGP, we come out. Oba my admiral me compare to the IGP Damparia. It's like so far, so good. I mean, unye gidi. won't show off that much, but I like the way you are working. But Obiti said Captain Smart. Timat na Ghana television so. Say what the bomb or bomb or the book or two. For celebration of life no more quiet so. Yami expected by this time akwa arresting and I invite no. IGP so obey wa dwen say oba be ye adwuma ama one side. Oba ye adwuma te say oba dia. When be gu as papa asa na otama so. Tetanu who was whatever you call you. What is say? Tetanu or say you. I don't give a damn. I want to see you working. Say we are neutral. Yes, obi o honoma or can say mua. Said the Yanyanishe. Cancer Lutrot was just making a statement. You got him arrested. I can't smart. I can't sell phone. A Jimmy Sam say, oh, TV show. So, Okoto bomb. Do you know what it takes? As at now, Captain Smart Gusuna more. Captain Smart, over to bomb and Okoto bomb, papa no mammy. Oh, mammy no papa. Omana for bomb no bomb. But in your Ghana for almost celebrating the life of a legend. Mano.
So Malek Basabasantali, Deputy National Communications Officer of the NDC. Now, omu opposition, esan say with me did Dr. Baomian tem, a child trotto Dr. Baomian so say or you preko or no ma petition. Emma Muslims community no ebufu Dr. Baomian to about tianinti. NDC ba power mo. Oma reward no, Oma bonabaso ama ne position as YCU. Youth Employment Agency CEO. Only certificate to only classmate. O kachere Malek Basantali say on find a degree certificate in Chirewa ebe than mabo. But because with me trying throttle Baomiaso. Ain't he? Yaman appointment. Now he is one of the most useless people Mahama appointment. All the appointees of Mahama are useless, but Sir Basantali he's the most useless among them all. Very useless. Nisu Nimfasubia, obey CEO of YE Afini. On to mean Adeba Pua Waye. Adeba Pua Waye. And Adeba Pua Waye, Basabasantalia ye. And they say obey CEO when Yesica. Eddie Aquamon on Yakwa Yen 9 and 9 is a kino. Aha, the 9 is a kino. When Yesica, Eddie Aqua Yawamon. As you are fixing a spine. Enya hoden ono kwase asa no chese onimnyansa ye tam sika e de koye ye nan e ko fix ye nan ene ye spine but adwumafu a eye adwuma o wa ye de won dwene o ho for the first time in 9 years why ye workers me na me ye adwuma o why ye workers e di Christmas without any bonus. Christians are ye adwuma o why ye e di Christmas without bonus. For the first time, Muslims are a why you omuye juma ebe di sala ene omu di sala akopem Monday without bonus. Yes, me ye juma why ye under JFK. Na afi su bia oh yes we worker 100% of your basic salary as bonus 100%. See a debo abaso. But sir akwa with this clown. Basantali be ye see you last year. When Timmy and bonus or catch on say, Obitia bonus no, de sala. And a sala. Say, and then a Basabasantali baby tia why for, Ejuma for bonusa, him. Sala omudi Muslims are why including NDC for na omubu fuel funum. Report information in mammy or NDC. Menewo say over 1 year, Basabasantali be see you. Beneficiaries or marketia 400 cedis a month or so. Untimin tiae. And beneficiaries in him echo brim. Some of them they have to resort to Bessie Brane Cronon kitten just ask him. And why he has a dedicated funding? Why he is one of the few government agencies who because Emrana established why I'm an dedicated funding ye what ye pia and no and funding the activities of why including beneficiaries allowances and so employees salaries. Sikano Ghana funja in but basta antali ni NDC yenim ni omo di sika na ye ana ene why ye workers go through ahunhiem ana no osori a obeye meeting ya no call Australia basa ntali onye meeting wo Ghana wo say ebia ye kwa akoye workshop bi na wo ma kwa akoje Kufurudia Capital View Hotel ana say Rock City ni ade da bi basa ntali wo no oye meeting na o call Australia na UK na ne ekeka ho chese kwasia na ni ate ana say kwasia we hu asikiri o di kwasia he's been exposed to sugar di sugar na man when you diabetes what he's been exposed to power and I am man position kesia sika bebre eba o ayi nti say o tini basa as an kwasiafo we juma wo mu di na and I think say he's the propounder of sa ora na ababe a white elephant ababe abatos since NDC for kumunum I think say he's the one that started na ora no then NDC be ko position wonu ne bedi ni first and don't find saying baby nsunka moa